Since we've been so busy in the shop lately, we haven't had time to do our recordings, as you can see. Since good technicians are hard to come by here in this area, we haven't been able to find any good help, but we did find one guy in the Philippines. His name is Ben Cabral, and he's due here any minute now, and we'll introduce you to him. So let's see if he's coming. He's driving a Healy. Oh boy. Well, we can fix that. You look taller in the pictures. Ben?
Hindi ako si Ben.
Where's Ben?
Hindi siya makapunta dito.
You speak English?
Yes.
Good.
Parang busy ka dito. Let's go to work.
Part of the process of removing the rear seat is removing these clips across to take the material off of this edge in the back. And then we can take the backrest off and then remove the rest of the seat that's glued in. Not a very good aim, as you can see, but that's okay. I'll get it. Just these little clips that hold the material on for the back of the back seat. All this material is getting replaced anyways. I think the whole unit in the back will be replaced because the foam is all rotted and broken and full of mold. Okay, and we can unwrap the material and get the back seat out. See, these are just glued in, and then this material is wrapped around the edge to keep the back in. That's good. Okay, the next step is we've got to remove the seat belts because the bolts go all the way through. And we're going to probably replate this hardware. I don't think we're going to get new. We'll just replate these. They're black or green. I have to take a closer look at those. So those are the back seat belts. And then this is just glued down under the carpet. If you're going to retain the material, if the seat is in really good shape, you've got to be very careful. But this, not so much. It's moldy old mess. Okay, that's the bottom section. And for the very back piece, it's hinged right here at these two bolts, one on each side, and it just snaps in the back here to lock, usually. Well, we can fix that too. So we're just going to take these out, the two pivot bolts, and we're going to put these with the seat hardware, and those will also get plated. And then this will just come out. This is the rear cover. They don't always work too well, but this is the cover that will cover the back of the luggage compartment. We'll either get a new one or we'll fix this one up real nice. But that's the backrest. Now we're going to take the front seats out. We already took the bolts out. They were right side was rusted so badly. I don't even want to show you what we did to get them out. It was just total carnage. But anyways, we're ready to get these seats out now. So let's get these out. Well, now that all the seats are out, including the 4 front seats, uh, we're looking around inside here. There's all kinds of stuff on the floor. If you can see, the seat tracks are rusted really bad on both sides, and the bolts were rusted right into the seat rails. We still have quite a mess in here. Later, not today, but later, we're going to be removing these quarter panel pieces, which requires the glass to come out because it wraps around the glass rubber seal. So the seat belts will come out. But we'll get to all that later. Right now, we're going to finish cleaning out the back and get this thing ready to remove the rest of the flooring and side panels. So we'll go to the back now and take everything out. But take a look at these seat tracks. It's a mess. Oh, the seat base. All right, we're gonna get this big speaker box out of here with, like, I think there's about 45 amplifiers attached to this and about 600,000 wires. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this apart and get it out of the car. He's gonna get a whole new sound system anyways, so we won't need this. Okay, that can come out. Anthony, grab a hold of it. Can't get it? You can't get it.
I can't. It's heavy.
What do I pay you for? Oh my God! Oh, jeez.
It's still attached.
It's still attached. Really?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look. Oh.
Well, I think we just picked up another second in a quarter mile with this car. Okay, the back of the car is unloaded now, so we can remove the rest of the carpets. There's more speakers in it that will have to come out. We'll be removing the quarter panels, like I said before, so the quarter glass will come out. The rear hatch glass will come off, the whole hatch assembly, and I'll have to get someone to come out and take the windshield out because I'll probably break it.